Hello, hello, OFP family. How's everybody doing today? It is Wednesday, September 25th, and we are here to take a look at our watch list. Barry, are you with me?
Yes, definitely I'm with you.
Awesome. All right, guys, so we're going to just go ahead and dive right in. If you have any questions for us, of course, you just get to stick around. Hey, Akeem, Agostinho. Hey, Akeem, we went live yesterday for the podcast and you weren't there, and we were getting ready to play the Jeopardy theme song and you were not there. So it wasn't the same without you, my friend. It wasn't the same without you. Hi, Kelly. Mr. Kelly. That is Mr. Kelly. I remember. All right, guys, we're gonna dive right in. And then of course, if you have any pairs you want us to look at, we could take a look at that for you.
All right. Yes, so let's get right into it. So we have already here gold. That's the first one we're looking at. Gold shot all the way up after we hit our take profit. And right now, it seems like we may actually reverse coming all the way to 2575. That's what I'm betting we're gonna go down to. As of now, it actually even shot up like $30 more to 2630. For every $30 that gold goes up, I'm shorting it. That's how it's gonna be from now until we reach this level of 2575. This may also change later on. I may even end up probably aiming for probably 2611 around this area, since there was a consolidation a bit here from the 20th to the 23rd. So I may be aiming for this area instead, or even this pin bar right here, which is exactly at 2600. So that's what I'm actually seeing on gold for now. Let's move over to our usual pairs. That's dollar Mexican. The dollar Mexican, we are still on our way up to here. Like I told everyone on Sunday, that we might actually be going all the way up. And yes, we have had a parabolic move going all the way up. We seem to be coming all the way to 1980. We're still moving and moving strongly. Then maybe from here we might bounce, then actually start to come all the way down. But till then, we draw a trend line here. When the trend line breaks, if we break a resistance like here, then we can actually short dollar Mexican. Let's move over to euro dollar. Euro dollar just started dropping out of nowhere today. So like dollar has just gained strength out of nowhere. So at this moment, as for euro dollar, it has already done what I expected it to do, which was fill this pin bar. Oh, why can I not use my? Anyways, let's draw. I don't know why I cannot see my arrow. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, I know why. This cursor is actually white, so I could not see it. So yes, remember I talked about this pin bar being filled. It actually did that. It pushed all the way down, but then eventually filled this candle to the brim, and now it reversed exactly there. So right now we can draw a trend line, which is great, like from here to here, and right now it just seems like we're touching this trend line here. So once we break this trend line properly, not like wick it, but just like break all the way down, close below this trend line, and we go below this resistance level, then we could be seeing a shorting opportunity on euro dollar, aiming for this area over here. We have not changed it. We are aiming for 1.0900. That's where I see euro dollar coming all the way down to in the long term, if we do indeed go below this support level. So that's what I'm seeing on euro dollar. Let's move over to dollar yen. Dollar yen as well has been skyrocketing. So we entered somewhere around here. So we are still aiming for this box area up here. Let me even actually highlight that. So we're aiming for the box area up here. So that is where our take profit will be coming to. That's 153. So when we reach there, that's when we may actually be looking for a reversal. Because if you remember properly, we're actually looking to take profit somewhere here, but the market decided to reverse and we didn't reach that target. So now we're back at it again. We need to reach this level of 153. So that's what we're aiming for on dollar yen. This actually go to CAD Swiss. Also, CAD Swiss is going well, going to the upside. Oopsie. Yeah, so this was an area that we failed to reach to, and now we are pushing to this area all the way up here. So when we reach here, this level 64,800, I believe that's where we might probably reverse from. So just keep an eye watch on that on CAD Swiss. As for now, we are not doing anything because it's going our way, so there are no blockages whatsoever. Then also pound yen. Pound yen, we are very close to take profit, just a tad bit more of a move to 196, and then we'll be all on our way to take profit. So I'll take profits all the way up here. We're not really going to reach the box, just the tip of this pin bar, not to fill it all the way up to the brim. So we are just touching the tip of the pin bar. Then from there, that's why we'll take a profit and see if we'll continue pushing all the way through, or we're going to reverse from here, then continue downward trend to the downside. We are not too sure. So that's what I'm seeing on the Forex pairs. I believe I've covered all of them. So let's look at some pairs that we covered on our session this previous Sunday. So we covered pound dollar, where I talked about the market moving up first before we actually draw a trend line. And that's what it actually did. It moved all the way up. Same scenario, euro dollar. We have breached the trend line. So when we probably breach this resistance right here, oopsie, let's push this. Oh, what's going on? So once we, I don't know why I like saying resistance even when it's support. So yes, when we actually breach this support level here, then we can be looking to short pound dollar all the way down here to this area of 1.30, or even here as a long-term area at 1.28. So that's what I'm actually seeing on pound dollar. Then let's look at euro kiwi. Euro kiwi actually got stopped out to the euro kiwi. It started moving to the downside, and yes, it actually broke this downward channel to the downside. So as of now, we are actually doing nothing, but there's actually an opportunity to try and re-enter into this long opportunity because we have had a break of the trend line. We are already looking to breach this resistance level, which is right here. So when that is done, maybe we can actually look to buy again into Euro Kiwi and then go all the way up, where we are going up to this level here. So this can even be a good 5-1 going all the way up here. So maybe I'll start off slow since we already had a loss on it. I may actually start off with a lighter position on Euro Kiwi. Then if it goes our favor and we actually even go above this area where we were looking to, then maybe I can add more there. Then if we also breach this resistance level, I'll add more there too. Then from there, I don't think I'll have to add more because then we'll just have to wait for it to come all the way up here. Because this is an area that we definitely need to fill, at least even the tip. just right here of this pin bar is what I'm hoping that we can do. But as we saw, the market started pushing all the way up here for this pin bar. So just aiming for the tip would be cutting ourselves short. So we need to really actually fill this whole pin bar. That is the aim of this long position on Euro Kiwi. But overall, if you are somebody who's shorting, you would have shorted all the way somewhere here, I think. And yeah, I would have taken your profits probably down here or even back here as well. So yeah, that's what I'm actually seeing on Euro Kiwi. So for now, we're just watching until this resistance is broken. Then let's actually look at NAS 100. NAS 100 has been moving sideways. So for now, there's nothing which can be done at this point. We're still looking to aim to make a new high, which isn't too far actually, because if we look at where we came from here and where we are now, it's actually good. So 227.3 is an area that we need to reach most definitely in the near future. It could even be next year. We can just be consolidating all the way, but I highly doubt that. Probably October, by October, we can actually push all the way up and take out the previous high. Then start looking to short on NAS 100. Let's actually look at US 30. I think I talked about something on US 30 of recent. Yes, I did talk about something. I talked about us making a new high. So here we had something that was a bit messy. That, well, this trend line isn't clean at all. But yeah, I talked about us aiming for the bottom of this pin bar, and these are areas that we can actually aim to. But this one looks to be a much more attractive area we might come all the way down to. So as of now, I would say that maybe our trend line can be drawn something like this from here to here. Yeah, since we made a new high over there, we have breached the trend line. So I would most definitely just be waiting for us to break this resistance level, or rather this support level over here. Once we like push all the way down and close with a nice good bearish position, or rather bearish candle, then yeah, this can be a first target, second target, third target. Yeah, this seems more attractive. Then if you're looking to push this further, this could be a third area to aim to take profit. Then lastly here, which is more unlikely, I really don't think it will come all the way down here to 38500. So I'm taking this off. This seems like a final area we can actually be aiming for on now or US 30 actually. So just keep watching this. If you see the opportunity, take it. Aim here as your first target and get out if you want, or just take it all the way down here, and then from there we shall see what can be done. If we can start buying more, going to upside to make a new high, or we can continue with shorting US 30. So now we have one, two, three more pairs to actually look at, which is Brent and Bitcoin and dollar index. Bitcoin, yes, we actually are doing well with Bitcoin at this point. I'm actually seeing Bitcoin go all the way to 80,000. You heard it first here. So, yeah, Bitcoin, I do think it's going to go to 80,000 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we started off here. This pin bar has been reached and filled with, I think, this yeah, this candle almost there to fill it completely up. But this one was a pin bar that was untouched, so we even touched the tip. So this could be an area we could be reversing from, or we'll just go all the way up here and fill up this pin bar around 65,000. Then maybe if around this area we can look to reverse, but I'm actually thinking that this is a level we are reversing from right now, since we seem to be like in an upward channel or consolidation whatsoever. So we may actually push all the way up here, then start to reverse coming all the way down. But overall, like I said, I do see Bitcoin touching even 80,000 all the way here. So yeah, just keep watching this space. Yeah, we might actually be reaching 80,000 on Bitcoin. So that won't even really be a surprise with the current affairs that are going on. So let's actually also look at the dollar index. I see something bullish. I never looked at it. Yeah. So yeah, this is the reason why even probably dollar yen, euro dollar, and pound dollar seem to be pushing as well. Did we make a new low? Yeah, we actually filled this pin bar all the way to the brim. So what does that mean? We can actually look for an opportunity now to go long. So we have broken the trend line. That's great. This is a resistance level that we can look to breach as well. When we breach that, then we can aim back for our initial target, which is all the way up here. Because right now, we cannot play this safe because these are levels that we rejected from a couple of times while pushing. So we need to just be maybe even just adding all the way as we go up, but this can be like a final area. Once we just go right above this 102 area, then I think it's going to fly all the way up, especially since this was a series of a downtrend. Then we might reach this 103 area. That's what I'm actually seeing on dollar index. Then last but not least, let's look at Brent oil. Brent oil, I've been seeing it just actually consolidating. We have reached this level to the tip, like right at this pin bar right here. We have filled it completely, and it seems like we might actually continue with the downward trend, but we have not really drawn any trend line whatsoever. So with the trend line, I'll probably draw it like from here to here, and we have not yet breached the trend line. But once that does happen, then I can see us going below the support level. Then from there, that's when we can actually be looking to short oil. So this is all we have for tonight. We've covered literally everything. Yes, you couldn't say that I'm good at this. I'm actually shorting gold because I called gold to go up to 2632, which was, yes, the breaking point for gold, but I actually said it can actually continue going even further. But levels that I am shorting gold at was 2630, 2660, then maybe even 2700. I'm looking for a complete round number to short gold at, maybe 2700. Then from there, if it continues going even further, I may actually cut my losses on gold. So yeah, that's how I'm seeing gold at this current moment. But I do actually see gold dropping really soon. As you have already seen, the dollar index is going up. So we might actually see some change on the trend with gold. Like we've seen euro dollar going down, we've seen pound dollar going down, and there are all other dollar related pairs going down. Even Bitcoin, like you just need to be cautious right now because, like I said, it's gonna be like at a level that it seems to be reversing from. But doesn't mean that gold will be free falling till forever. There's a level that I've mentioned that's 2575, and that level is most likely to be hit. Then from there we can actually buy from that level, then start to shoot all the way up. I'm looking at gold even reaching maybe to 800 before the end of the year, and it's even going good. I'm kind of nervous though. Do you think that strike on maritime in October is going to affect gold? We don't know. The thing is, for now, if you're shorting gold, do not go heavy on it. Yeah, so that's all I can say. If you're shorting gold right now, don't go heavy on it. It's a safe haven asset. So it can be even flying, even 100%. You can see gold actually just continue going up. Like, I'm not saying it can do 100%, like go from 2,000 to 4,000 overnight. No, that's not possible. But again, it can be possible. And the markets are crazy. They can do literally anything that's possible if the money is there. But yes, with gold, I do actually see us pulling back a little before actually pushing all the way up. The market doesn't go up in a straight line, so yeah, you have to like take advantage of those pullbacks. Overall, long term gold, I'm long. So short term, you can short, but be careful you don't get burned. That's my advice. Yeah, September was good movement in the market. Yes, Augustino. Yes, I actually agree with you. Like the losses from August, July and August are actually are being covered at this point. That's what I can just say. Because July, August was really bad for me personally. So September seems like a month we are recovering. I hope it continues till the end of the year. That's what I'm hoping. All right, 2670. That's a really tight stop loss. Akeem. But yeah, if you feel that's your pain point, you can go with that. There's no right or wrong on how far gold can go. But if you feel you cut your losses at 2670, you can go ahead and cut your losses there. But overall, be safe in these markets. Don't just stick completely to one idea. Also be flexible also with anything that may be happening fundamentally. Right now, I'm focusing on anything fundamental at this point, but just be careful in these markets. 80 to 90% lose their money when trading the forex market. Always remember that. And this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my ideas on the market and where it can possibly go. Yes. Any other questions? Yes, you are much welcome, Akeem. And Ria, you can come out from hiding now.
Hello. I'm back.
Yes, yes. I covered your favorite pair, Euro Kiwi. I'm still strong on it. I'm still strong on it. Like us going long is a possibility. I don't know if you guys have actually seen the pin bars are actually great levels, I can say, to always aim for, like take profits. Great levels. Pin bars are always great
Hmm.
areas to aim for take profit. Yeah. So yeah.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm. Or do you have any questions yourself, Ria?
I don't actually. I don't have any questions. And I
No
don't have
promo?
any no questions, no comments, no concerns, no promotions yet.
Okay.
Yet. But I might
Okay.
have one for you on Sunday.
Always showering us with your gifts. Yeah. All
Yes.
right. All right, everyone. We thank you all for attending today's session tonight. And I am glad we are growing day by day with new people coming in and you're enjoying these sessions. And yeah, I hope you find it very informative. Yeah. So we will be seeing everyone on Sunday. Yeah, get ready. Let's see what the market has for us for these remaining 2 days.
Yes. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on Sunday.